Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can open a new tab in your Arc web browser, for example, to browse through the internet and to access websites via Arc. So let us get started. Launch the Arc web browser. And here on your homepage, guys, there are two different ways. You may, for example, click on that button here on the left panel, new tab, or use the shortcut Ctrl+T, or you may click on that plus icon here at the bottom and select a new tab. After that, you will see that address or URL bar here. So if you're using, for example, Google as your default search engine here in Arc, you will see Google as your main search engine here. So let me go, for example, with Amazon.com, let's say, type in the URL here, and that's basically it, guys. You may, for example, close the given tab here by clicking on X or start a new tab. So let me do that really quickly and go, for example, with, I don't know, google.com, something like that. So you may do that, and as you can see, the second tab has been opened here, and you may switch between these tabs as you normally do in other web browsers like Chrome, with the difference that these tabs are listed here on the left panel and not at the top. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.